Good morning. Today we're here with Sunny D and we're going to put a solar panel on a trailer and also to hook up a solar panel to a power pack that I purchased. So let's get right to it. Okay, so now what we have here is an unboxed solar panel. It's portable, so you have to be careful because people will travel and take them. So we want this one to be on the go, and so I purchased this one. It opens up like this, like so. Now some people will prop it up. There's other ways to do it. Okay, some people have it in this configuration maybe. Okay, so we could put it in this configuration just to hit the maximum amount of sunlight, or I could put it on top of the roof, and that way it won't get stolen as easy. Okay, I have the adapter to the trailer, and then this one is the cord that goes into the solar panel. We'll connect these together. This should have a standard adapter or connector used for most solar panels nowadays. This is connector to this. All right, so we take our adapter and we connect it to the solar panel. And then this right here plugs into our trailer. We set up the solar panel right next to that and plug this in. We can get an extension cord so that we can place it anywhere around the trailer. We can use this solar charge controller to monitor how much power is going into the trailer. That will recharge these batteries right here directly. Now another way to do it is to take this. This cord right here connects to the solar panel. All right. Okay, we also purchased a battery pack. This one is called EcoFlow and it's made by EcoFlow. And it's called the Rivers, and it's a 600, I believe. And it has a very fast charging capacity. It is a lithium type of battery, and it has different connectors back here. We have 3 plugs with the grounds, and we can turn on the power right here for that. We also have the USB chargers right here, fast charger. Also a cigarette lighter type connection inside the car. Here's a flashlight you can use to illuminate in the dark. So turn that off. Here's the charging ports. And there we have the plug-in to the wall, a 110. And that way you can charge the battery. These are all for charging. And then here is where you plug in for the solar panel. There's a fan also to cool the battery. There's a reset button back here on the panel as well if there is too much draw from the device. And then the cables that came with the EcoFlow. There's a bunch of them. I won't go through them, but that's the power cord. We have a adapter for a non-MC solar panel. We have one to charge a battery directly. And then we have one to fit into your car or SUV's cigarette lighter to recharge this. This one is to, I believe, link up with another power pack that EcoFlow sells that works alongside, so kind of piggyback together to give more power when you need that peak power first to run like a power tool or to extend the life of the battery. We have several other cables, and these are adapters to go along with some of these cables to run different devices this could fit. I highly recommend getting a power pack because the generator that we have is a little too noisy and inconvenient. We can just bring this into the trailer and use it if we ran out of power or to run certain items if we do not have electrical hookup for the trailer. If we're boondocking or dry camping, they sometimes call it, then we have a power source temporarily and we can recharge it using the sun's solar rays. Okay, so here we have the connector that goes to what we call battery generator or inverter. So we'll connect it back here. And what's going to happen is when there's enough sunlight, this will start to show right now how much power is in this battery. Right now I've already run it dry, so we're going to recharge it fully using the sun's rays. Okay, here we have our pre-wired solar charging port for our Sundance. And here's the adapter that I purchased. We just connect it right into here. This goes directly into the solar panel, or you can get an extension cord and plug it into the control panel to kind of watch the amount of electricity that's going into the trailer. This will help to charge the batteries that are right there. And that's it. We've done it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe, and we'd really love for you to continue to watch our videos. We give a shout out here. And here's 2 videos popping on the screen right now. Alright, we'll see you on the road. Thanks for joining us.